how to make CBD raw brownie bites. So what we got is 10 pitted dates. Pitted is simply no stones. You try putting dates with stones in a blender, you might be needing to get a new blender. So 10 of them going in. 25 grams of coconut flakes. Little dried coconut flakes there. Going straight in. Then we got 2 teaspoons of CBD. So 2 going in there. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 50 grams of my favourite name product, cacao powder. Going straight in. What a great name, cacao powder. Then a bit of sea salt to add to the flavour. So a little bit there. And blend. So then what we need is a bowl after the blending. So we're just going to put the mix in the bowl. Just make sure you get all the excess stuff out. So where it is combined, it will be stuck in the bottom. And if you're like me, you'll probably make a mess and be in the doghouse. That's part of the parcel. So as you can see, that's what it should sort of look like. So now we're going to put it into 12 balls. So let's see how we get on. So as you see, all I'm doing is just simply making balls. There's one. We got the first batch of 6 going in, and just to add a touch, just going to add a bit more sea salt over. Just goes well with the dark type of chocolate, the cacao. It mixes very well. And basically, what you're doing is you're putting it in the freezer for 20 minutes. Just got to wait now. So we're now going to take our CBD raw brownie bites, the first batch of 6, out of the freezer. Look at this. And there's the 6. There you go. It just brings it, make it a bit harder. They are good. They are good. Absolutely magnificent. Get on these. I'm not even joking. I'm